Hi guys, so this morning we've got a change of a shower hose. Anyone with a pair of hands can literally do this. It's going to be a quick video, so like, subscribe and share. Give us a comment, let me know what you want to see. Let's get in there, let's get it done. Okay, so basically you've got your shower hose connecting from the outlet to the shower head. The issue with this is when it's on, it's coming out the bottom. So we're going to change the shower hose. All you need to do for that is take this part off of here, take this part off of here, put it in, make sure you've got your washers in, and then test. So basically all we do is take this part off here and just literally unscrews and that comes off. And then we do the same with this side here. This side might be a little bit more tight, so might need just a pair of plumb pliers to do that. As simple as that, and that's what we're connected on for the new shower hose. So this is the new shower hose. Literally put it on there and screw it back up, and then put it on the other side and screw it back up as well. And literally there you have it. So it's connected and screwed in that side, and then connected that side, no more leaks, and that is it. It's that simple to change a shower hose on the shower. Like, subscribe, give us a comment, and let's get to the next job.